back in action on Halston. If you remember, our cooling system is yucky, cruddy, yucky. So we've drained everything. Got the good Blue Devil flush. I'll put 2 of those bad boys in, fill her with distilled water, fire it up with the heater on, and let it run. I might even go drive it a little bit. Maximum of 4 hours. So we're going to see, I might just go a couple hours of it running and driving it. Do that. And once that's done, we'll bring it back here and we'll do all of our maintenance while we flush out our flush. We'll see how clean stuff is. And then Halston will be ready to go back to his day. Alright, we have Halston up and running. Heater's on. Flush and distilled water are in the cooling system. We're going to let him run. Put the cap off. Let it burp. And then top it off after it burps. And let him run. Alright, so we're going to let it run. I noticed we have an exhaust leak over here on the driver's side. Gasket right there. And there's a crack in the manifold as well. So you might want to, in the future, plan ahead, maybe get a manifold for this side. I saw you have gaskets in the trunk from when the other side was done. But you might want to think about that in the future. Right now, we're just going to let him run.